Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Samsung. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type Gbird and download this free app by Google. Then open it. Now choose Enable in Settings. Then click on the switcher next to Gbird and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now click on Select Input Method, choose Gbird again and tap on Done. Over here go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you need to select one of your pictures that you wish to apply, like that one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally select Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Finally choose Apply and simply go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!